Tim used to be an athlete back in the day, but after playing basketball with his old college buddy Bob, Tim's body ached, his face was bright red, and he was winded. "Man, I haven't played basketball since college, 25 years ago," Tim said, after they returned to his house. "Yeah, 25 years and 25 pounds ago," joked Bob. Tim's wife Lisa enters just in time to hear Bob's remark. "Tim, when's the last time you went to the doctor for a physical?" Lisa asked her husband. Lisa told the men she was just at the pediatrician today, so Maya could get her shots before she starts kindergarten. And Lisa gets a checkup every year and a mammogram when her doctor recommends it, but she couldn't remember the last time Tim had seen a doctor. This isn't something Tim wants to think about. He feels fine most of the time, when he hasn't just played a hard game of hoops, that is. Women are usually good about going to the doctor every year, but men just need to see a doctor if they break something. Am I right, Bob? Asked Tim. "Well, actually, I just had my annual exam last week," said Bob. Bob told Tim it's really no big deal. They check things like height, weight, blood pressure, and cholesterol. Plus, he'd rather have them catch something earlier rather than later if something is wrong. "We're not getting any younger, Tim," said Bob. "In your case, any lighter." Very funny, Bob. But Tim wasn't done trying to weasel out of seeing the doctor. He said it's a waste of money to see a doctor if nothing's wrong. "I promise I'll go to the doctor at the first sign of a problem," said Tim. Lisa reminded Tim that Missouri Consolidated Healthcare Plan, MCHCP, covers preventive services at 100%, and they don't have to meet their deductible first. In fact, they cover vaccinations for children and recommended booster shots for adults. "Here, look at this," says Lisa, as she shows Tim a brochure she brought home listing preventive services available to both men and women. Preventive care includes annual checkups for well men, women, and children, as well as age-appropriate cancer screenings, immunizations, and maternity and newborn screenings. As long as it's a preventive service coded as routine by the doctor without indication of illness or injury, it's at no cost to us, so we have nothing to lose, right, Tim? After some prodding, Tim agrees to set up a checkup appointment with his doctor. And not just because he feels tired after a basketball game. He agrees it's better to prevent something than wait until something really bad happens. Bob jokes, "Yeah, and you better hope it improves your game, too." Have you had your annual wellness checkup? For more information about covered preventive services, visit www.mchcp.org or call 800-487-0771 to speak with a benefit counselor.